Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of NumPy and it is part 20. So guys, we are discussing NumPy operations and in this lecture we are going to discuss indexing and slicing. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss indexing and slicing in detail. So guys, indexing is used to access individual element from the NumPy array, whereas slicing is used to access group of elements from NumPy array. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss few rules of indexing and slicing. So guys, we are going to use square brackets for indexing and slicing. So the values before the comma stand for the rows and the value on the right stands for the column. And if you want to select a column, then you need to add colon before the column index. Colon means you want all the rows from the selected column. So guys, let me open up the Jupyter notebook and I will show you the working of slicing and indexing. So guys, now we are going to access individual element by indexing and group of elements by slicing. So I have imported NumPy as NP and now guys I am going to create a two-dimensional array by using NumPy. So let's do this. So guys, I have created a 3x3 two-dimensional array A and in this array I have stored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. And now guys, I am going to print this two-dimensional array by using print function. So let's run this script. So basically it is printing 3x3 two-dimensional array. And now guys, if you want to access rows from this two-dimensional array, and as we know that indexing in array start from the 0, so let's access the first row from this two-dimensional array. So guys, I have passed the index of first row and that is 0. So now if I run this script, it will give you 1, 2, 3. And guys, now if you want to access the last row from this two-dimensional array, so let's change the index of this and now it is giving the third row to you from the two-dimensional array A. And now guys, if you want to print two rows from this two-dimensional array, so now guys we are going to use colon here. So let's do this. And now if I run this script, it will give you first two rows from this two-dimensional array. And now guys, if you want to access columns from this two-dimensional array, so we can do this by using comma and colon. So let's do this. So guys, I have passed the index of first column and now if I run this script, it will give you the first column from this two-dimensional array A. And now guys, if you want to access the third column from this two-dimensional array, so let's change the address here and I'm giving 2 here. So now if I am running this script, it will give you 369 and it is the last column. And now guys, if you want to access the first two values from the second row, then we will use the following script. So guys, I have passed first row and the two values. So now if I run this script, it will give you 4 and 5. So basically it is giving the first two values from the second row. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. And now guys, if you want to access the last element from the first row, then simply we can use this script. So guys, I have passed 0,2, and now if I run this script, it will give you 3. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.